Hello and welcome to this video. Today we will be discussing whether the European Central Bank, ECB, has switched to aggressive mode and if it will lead to a crisis in Europe. The ECB is the central bank of the Eurozone, and it is responsible for maintaining price stability and supporting economic growth in the region. In recent times, the ECB has been in the news for its aggressive monetary policies, and many people are wondering whether it will lead to a crisis in Europe. What is the ECB? Before we dive deeper into the topic, let's first understand what the ECB is and what it does. The ECB was established in 1998 and is headquartered in Frankfurt, Germany. It is responsible for setting monetary policy in the Eurozone, which includes 19 countries that use the euro as their currency. The ECB's main objective is to maintain the region's price stability and support economic growth. It does this by controlling interest rates, buying government bonds, and providing liquidity to the banking system. The ECB's aggressive monetary policies. In recent years, the ECB has been using aggressive monetary policies to stimulate economic growth in the Eurozone. One of the ways it has done this is by keeping interest rates at historically low levels. This makes it cheaper for businesses and individuals to borrow money, which encourages spending and investment. The ECB has also been buying government bonds as part of its quantitative easing (QE) program. This involves the ECB purchasing large amounts of government bonds from banks, which injects money into the economy and helps to lower interest rates further. The aim of this program is to boost lending and investment, which will stimulate economic growth. Impact of aggressive monetary policies. While the ECB's aggressive monetary policies have positively impacted the Eurozone economy, they have also raised concerns about their long-term sustainability. One of the main concerns is the impact of low interest rates on savers and pension funds. With interest rates at historic lows, savers and pension funds are struggling to generate enough income to meet their financial obligations. Another concern is the impact of QE on government debt levels. By buying government bonds, the ECB is effectively financing government spending, which could lead to higher debt levels and inflation in the long run. Will Europe go into crisis? So, the question on everyone's mind is, will Europe go into crisis as a result of the ECB's aggressive monetary policies? The answer to this question is not straightforward, as it depends on a number of factors. On the one hand, the ECB's policies have helped stimulate economic growth in the Eurozone, which has led to a reduction in unemployment levels and an increase in consumer spending. On the other hand, there are concerns about the sustainability of these policies in the long run. If interest rates remain low for an extended period, it could lead to a bubble in asset prices, which could burst and lead to a financial crisis. There are also concerns about the impact of QE on government debt levels, which could lead to higher borrowing costs in the future. In conclusion, the ECB has indeed switched to aggressive mode in recent years, using monetary policies to stimulate economic growth in the Eurozone. While these policies have had some positive impacts, they have also raised concerns about their long-term sustainability. Whether Europe will go into crisis as a result of the ECB's policies remains to be seen, but it is clear that there are risks that need to be carefully managed. As always, we will have to wait and see how events unfold in the coming years.